Hi guys, this is a project I've been working on that I've been wanting to finish, but I realized that my laptop is extremely slow. I googled the laptop repairs near me and I saw Keltech Repairs. Let's give them a ring. I talked to the guys and they told me to pop in by the office at 69 Rowland Street, Cape Town. So I popped in by the store and they booked my device in and told me to come back after 3 hours. I went back after 3 hours and to my surprise the laptop was working so much smoother, so now I can finally finish the project I've been wanting to finish. So if you have any problems with your MacBooks, your Windows laptops or any iPhone problems, feel free to pop by Keltech Repairs and they'll fix it for you.